Victorian Barry.
Welcome back to VB Fun Channel. Say hi. Hi. Okay. So we have invited a guest, and it's one of my friends, and he's Daniel. So today we are going to bake chocolate chip cookies. So you'll be needing this all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, sugar, brown sugar, a bit of salt, vanilla extra, butter, baking soda. I love this. Yeah. Chocolate. And we also have chocolate chips. Delicious.
Okay.
So let's get started. Yay! We get a mixer. Then we put the butter. Then we put sugar, brown and white. Brown first, then white sugar. Now let's start. We have a spoon and put it then in. Then the brown sugar. You wanna do it? No thanks. Right. Put everything. Wow. And now the white sugar. Everything. Yeah. Now blend it.
Oh no!
You have to mix everything together. Next will be egg.
No, you have to take this out. Done.
My brother is putting it, and you did it correct. So next we pour the vanilla. My brother already did it, right? You wanna do it? Wait, no. You don't press that. You press. In a separate container, you pour salt and, of course, baking powder. So and flour. So can you please pour? No. Can you please pour the salt? Yay!
Salt.
How about baking soda? I mean baking powder.
I wish I would already eat flour.
Oh yeah, thanks.
What's this?
No. You don't have flour? Oh yes, you have more.
Sugar. Get the sugar.
Now let's whisk it.
Nothing will happen.
Barry, something. Let's guide. But you're playing, Barry. You're having fun. Yay! Barry, also mix here. I think it's wrong.
Good boy.
Look, he's so strong. Do.
More.
They want to see. No.
On people on this.
Wow, you're mixing. I love you. Little by little,
we're gonna pour the flour.
Great. Let's mix it.
This is the second time of the batch. Bye! Oh, not yet. This is the second bar.
I will pour the last one, Bart. Can you help, please? Alright. No, it's Barry's.
Middle.
Stop! Stop! No! What? Do it all.
This is the last. Don't
We'll mix it.
dare do it.
Go.
Last we put our favorite, the chocolate chips. Come, 3 of us, we will do it. 1, 2, 3.
Not all.
Yes, we do all. Oh! And then we mix. Now we're gonna mix it manually. Thousands of chocolate chips.
Can I have one? I wish you're ready. I'll eat. It's so easy.
Scoop them and put it here. Barbie, it's your turn.
But can I help you?
Oh, you do it first, then you. No, you help him. Hold together. Then when you're done,
Super slide!
wow! Oh yes, you did it!
You made my super slide. My turn. My turn. Can I have that?
Harry, it's Daniel's turn, and then my turn. Daniel,
What?
Harry, don't you dare get in. Harry's just no eating chocolate chips. No. Fine.
Wow.
Mary, please. Don't. So this is what we have done. Now let's put it to the oven.
Be careful.
To bake for in 350 degrees 30 minutes. Now let's put it to the oven. So this is our chocolate chip cookies. Let me get one. If you like this video, just hit like and subscribe to our channel to see more fun activities. Thanks for watching.